How to buy B3 token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account to enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under the base network. Open your wallet. For that, you will use the BitGet wallet. Go back to your wallet and select the base as a network. Now after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. This is our token, as you can see. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called B3. So after that, click on it and click on swap here. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So in a while, you will be able to see how much you receive the token. So this is it now. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy B3 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.